RazorPay app. Installation and operation on iOS version, Apple phones and devices. This RazorPay app is made for iOS version, Apple phones and devices. Let's see how to install this app on your devices, and let's see how this app works. Go to your WhatsApp account. Open the chat of Initiative Support Agent. You must have received a link from Initiative Support Agent. Click on this new link called RazorPay Login. Access your dashboard. Here, enter your registered email ID. This registered email ID should have been sent by you along with the ATM documents. Click on Continue. Here, click on Forgot Password. Here, click on Resend Link. You must have received a link from the email. Open your email app. Refresh your email app. You have received an email from RazorPay Software Private Limited. Open it. Click on Click here. Open Chrome or your browser. Create a new, unique password for you. The format of the password should be like this. This password should have at least 8 characters, letters, at least 1 letter, at least 1 number, at least 1 special symbol. For example, exclamation mark, @sign, hashtag, dollar, percentage, and sign, star sign, etc. Here, create a password as per the format given. Click on Create Password. Here, enter your email ID. Click on Continue. Here, enter your new password that you have set. And click on Login. You can see the RazorPay dashboard. Currently, we are looking at the transfer section. Here you will see all your daily transactions. In this, the transfer ID, amount, date, time, settlement processed or not, all these things will be visible. On the left, at the top, click on this menu. Go to Reversals. Here you will see all the information about the reversals of your payments. Here, all the information about transactions, such as customers who could not get water and their money was returned, will be visible. In this, the reversal ID, refund ID, transfer ID, amount, date, time, etc. will be visible. If you enter the reversal ID here, you can find information about the specific transaction. Click on this menu and click on Settlements. Here you will see the information about the daily settlement that took place every day at 5 p.m. This will show information like settlement ID, amount, date time, etc. and whether the settlement process is completed or not. Breakup details will be displayed. Here, you can see the amount processed on a particular day. Click on this menu and click on Reports. Enter the report type in the filter. Here you can get all the reports like Transfer Report, Settlement Report, Settlement Route Report, Reversal Report, etc. by clicking on Download Report. Click on this menu and click on Account Settings. Here you will see all the information about your own account. This will show your name, email ID, bank account details, etc. Now let's add this app to the home screen. Click on the options on the top right and click on the Add to Home Screen option. Change the name as required. Click on Done. Click on Add. This app has been added to the home screen. Click on the app icon and your RazorPay app will launch. Thank you.